Do you need some last minute help for the junior cert Irish paper? My nephew's doing it, so I thought I would just have a wee look over it. From last year's paper, here are some last minute tips. These are questions from last year, maybe, that just steer you in the right direction. So for the higher paper, T2, Tor ga funcha olish, that means give 2 points of information. Tor ga funcha olish. Louis is a big word. Louis means mention. So Louis ga rod, mention 2 things. Louis. Jan play. Jan play. Play is to discuss. So Jan play means basically do discuss or to discuss. Cén tower, a bhí a flay. Cén tower. Our is subject. So cén tower a bhí a flay. What subject was being discussed? Cén tower. Jan Kershis. Jan Kershis. Kershis means put down, but it means to describe. So Jan Kershis basically put down, Jan Kershis, describe it. Conasa wahiantu or wahiantu means how do you feel? So I was asking you, how do you feel about something? Hatchin sha, did you enjoy it? Did it agree with you? Hatchin shalyum, near hatchin shalyum. So those are just some key points, and if it went too fast for you, just rewind and watch it or slow it down. So more. I have a few other ones for the ordinary paper here, so just follow if you want to see them.